Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Sufaid Alam. My father is Muhammad Alam. I am a student of Rohingya School, Amal Shilan Learning Center. I learn in class 4. At first, I countless number of thanks for Allah and my honorable authorities and teachers, also gentlemen. Actually, we want to say, but there is no word to express the kindness of some authorities who are trying in Rohingya National Education Board. How can we owe the regard of them who have been trying to the best of their knowledge as much as they are able to send the Rohingya language to everybody in our nation? I am in second terms thanks at the bottom of my heart, so that I would like to mention how to essential their own language for the people to identify oneself as a nation in front of the international community around the world. Lastly, our own language gives us access to entertainment and culture. Most of books are in the Rohingya language. When we understand the language flawlessly, we can say them fully without needing translating. In conclusion, learning Rohingya language is not just for speaking a new language, it's opening a wall of opportunities, gaining knowledge, and connecting with people everywhere. So let's embrace our own language and make it a tool to achieve our dream. I hope the Rohingya language will be developed by my honorable authorities as soon as possible. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.